So doctor, how do I get rid of earwax at home? Do not use cotton buds, as this pushes the wax deeper into the ear canal. You've heard or used options like almond oil or olive oil drops, which do work, but some people end up still needing ear syringing. I'll recommend using sodium bicarbonate drops. This is because sodium bicarbonate drops dissolve the wax, while olive oil drops just softens it. There are different brands available over the counter, or you can make it yourself at home like this. Add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda to teaspoons of water. Fill the ear canal and leave it in for 1 hour. After an hour, most of the wax should be dissolved. When the wax is soft, wash it out with water. If you do buy sodium bicarbonate drops over the counter, you will need to use it twice daily in the affected ear, and it takes less than 7 days to work compared to olive oil, which can take up to 2 weeks for the wax to soften and fall out. However, some people might find sodium bicarbonate drops tends to dry the ear, while olive oil has a lubricating effect, so it all comes down to personal preference. To use the drops, lay with your head on one side for a couple of minutes to allow the drops to soak into the ear canal. After this period, tissue may be used to soak up any excess from the outside of the ear. Prolonged use of any type of earwax removal drop can lead to risk of bacterial infection. As you can imagine, all the dirt, wax and liquid just sitting inside the ear. So I would advise to see your doctor if you have any new symptoms or if any of your symptoms are getting worse. Also, do not assume your symptoms are due to earwax, and I would recommend getting your ears examined before putting anything in there.